up, everybody? So today I'm driving Luke's truck. We're gonna go out to like a park or somewhere, like some open space, or a parking lot, whatever, and not a park,
where no one's around.
Yeah, where no one's around, so he can learn how to drive stick shift. And I'll bring you guys along too, and kind of show you the footwork and stuff. It's pretty easy to do. I mean, you got clutch, brake, gas, all that. The hardest parts, I would say, is probably reverse, first gear, and hills. Just getting past those is just the main struggle. Once you get those down, it's pretty easy just to roll through the gears. It's nothing too challenging. The only thing I will say with this one that kind of sucks is if you're in a tighter area, there's no power steering, so it's a little bit of a challenge.
You're cranking on it.
I think you can figure it out. So we're gonna go ahead and head out to like a parking lot and try to figure this out. I'm sure it'll be entertaining to watch you learn stuff. You've had a little bit of practice.
Yeah.
I let him drive my 240 once. He did okay. Yeah. But definitely needs practice. That's where this comes in. And you tried putzing around town a little bit. I don't know if
I stalled at a stop sign and people started to go around me.
Yeah, so this should be a little bit easier. Oh, the other thing too is you'll pick up on like downshifting and stuff too. That's like another little trick to do where you have to like kind of give it gas so it doesn't just bog down. Plus then you're not riding the brakes. So we'll take it to a park and do some testing. All right, so we couldn't find a park or anything because it's winter. For some reason, everything's like closed. Like any kind of like, I guess not parks, but like big parking lots and stuff. I mean, it's a weekday or whatever right now, so there's still a lot of businesses out. So we're on we're kind of a side street here. It's just fairly flat ground. I'll take him over to a hill here in a little bit, but for now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys basically like the footwork. So as you guys can see here, it's in neutral. It just is loose, so you can release everything. So you got clutch, brake, gas. So left foot is strictly for the clutch. Right foot does brake and gas. I'm rolling right now, but that's everything there. And then as far as like trucks go and stuff, the e-brake and stuff is here. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that is disengaged, that we don't roll anywhere. And then go ahead, put your foot on the brake and on the clutch. Next thing is put it in first. So that's first, it's all the way over. So you got first, second, third, fourth, all the way right is fifth, and then all the way right and down is reverse. So it's pretty standard, pretty simple pattern. Usually like the shift ball and stuff will tell you. But otherwise, to get it in first, you put it in first gear and then you'll let go of the clutch. And as long as you're not on the hill, you won't roll. So all you gotta do is just slowly find that happy medium of the clutch and the gas. So you slowly release the clutch, give it gas, and I can feel it catching, and right now we're rolling. So you guys can see here, we are moving. So the next thing, you're gonna let the RPMs get it kind of high. Now this doesn't have RPMs, it just has a speedometer, but you can hear it's winding fairly high. So next thing to do, clutch, second gear, and then out. You can see, we're still moving. So pretty simple. I think you can figure that out.
Think so, hope so.
All right, so we'll go ahead, I'll go and like pull over here and we'll give him a chance, but otherwise like I can hear it kind of winding up now, so we'll go third. That's the only thing that's bad about this truck is there is no RPM gauge, no tachometer or anything, so we have to go by sound. Otherwise, you can go by your speed. I mean, you don't have to go to the exact speed. I think first was 0 to 15. Yep. And then
second was
15 to
25,
and 25 to 45, and then so on. So it's a pretty easy thing to understand, but I'll go and spin around here and we'll let Luke go ahead and try and see how he does. All right, so now we got Luke driving. So the first thing you want to do is put your foot all the way to the front of the clutch, step on the brake, pull the e-brake out.
Yep,
yeah, it's
got her.
A little stuck. There you go. There. So it's all the way in. So now go ahead and put it in first gear.
Okay.
And then you got foot on gas and clutch. So you're gonna slowly just release the clutch and you can feel it kind of catch. Right about there. So don't dump the clutch, just slowly release. See, we're moving. Oh, a little jerky. That wasn't too bad, dude. Woo! You've been practicing a little bit, huh? I think he's lying to me. I think he's been practicing without me knowing it.
Don't tell him.
I think he's been practicing because that was pretty smooth. The other day,
let me get in a second. I'll show you right here.
Let's see second. Oh, a little jerky.
See?
A little jerky. Yeah, you gotta get that gas going a little bit more, but not too bad. So we're gonna keep continuing on here. I think the best thing for you to do is just to go and stop. So if you go first gear and just get it started and go, and then you stop, and then we just keep repeating first gear until you get that down. That's the biggest thing. Go ahead and hit third gear because you're starting to speed up. There you go. See, third gear is not bad. We can show you.
No?
Yeah, we're going a little bit too slow for you, but it's not too bad. I think you seem to be getting the hang of it. So
I keep keeping my foot over the clutch in a shift.
Yeah, do not keep your foot on the clutch. You don't want to keep it there. And don't keep your hand on the shifter, because I can't remember what all the reasons were, but there's like a bunch of stuff. Anyway, I guess we'll go down one of these side streets here, and we'll just have you keep practicing first gear until you get that down. And then the same thing with first is a lot like reverse. So it takes a little bit to get used to. Oh, are you trying to downshift, dude?
No.
Kind of felt like it. That's another trick in itself. I tried showing you. I told you how you got to like rev match and stuff. So let's go ahead and just, I don't know, stop it somewhere so you can practice first and just getting first gear down.
What is that? Is it bogging?
Yeah, you're in too low of a gear. Are you already in second?
I'm in second.
Yeah, you want to go to third. There you go.
Okay.
Now you got it. Now you're smooth.
Oh.
Yeah, because you don't have, like I said, you don't have the RPM gauge, so you can't see. But you got to go by speed and sound.
Listen to her.
It'd be much easier if you actually had like a true tach for this car.
Slender, talk to me.
She's speaking.
Yeah, she probably hates me.
Something there's a bird in here or something. Something keeps chirping. I think
it's our. I think it's our fans.
Yeah.
Yep, it's our fans.
Now it's gone. That's annoying. Okay, so go ahead. We'll have you hop down this road here.
Oh, this road?
Yeah, cul-de-sac.
Right here?
Slow down.
Okay.
Coming in hot.
I thought you were talking up there.
Coming hot. Yeah, if you, I guess you could have downshifted there, but we gotta teach you that one. Go ahead.
Right here.
You got her? Oh, not bad. You gotta get a little bit better on the rev match. Get a little more gas on her. Okay, just slow down here. And we'll just go ahead and circle around this little cul-de-sac here. This is a pretty nice little neighborhood.
Yes, sir.
There we go. How's that power steering feel?
Oh, it's great.
That's the one thing this truck needs is power steering bad.
It's a workout.
All right, so I guess we're coming to a stop here, so you'll figure this out. And pretty much when you come to a stop, you're gonna want to put it in like neutral.
Okay.
I mean, you want to. Yep, there you go. So you're just gonna like kind of set it here.
Coasting.
Put on clutch. It'll kill it. Yep. Foot's always gotta be in the clutch. So now we're on first, or in first, not on first.
We're going right. Gotta use your blinkers.
Yes, don't forget the blinkers.
Okay.
So now you gotta try to get that feel again. Think you got it?
I just don't want to give it too much gas. Oh, there she is. I see her.
One more gas.
I feel her.
Oh, too much clutch. There you go. Ooh. There you go. There you go. You got her leveled out.
So every time I go to a stop sign?
Go and stop here. Just stop. Clutch, brake.
Clutch, brake. Okay.
All right. Let's try that again.
Ain't stopping.
All right, we're still in first.
Let's make sure no one's behind us.
Got her?
Okay.
Oh, too much clutch. There you go. A little more gas. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, not bad.
Oh,
you kind of let off the gas a little bit, but yep, that was pretty good. So I think you're getting the hang of it. I think next
hill.
We can try a hill, or you can try reverse. Reverse is a lot like first. So go ahead and stop right here.
Okay.
Nobody's behind us, so we're good. You don't have to be right next to the curb or anything. You're a little, I mean, don't be in the middle of the road, but don't be on the curb. Okay.
Oh, right. Okay, Dad.
All right. So yeah,
So
reverse is all the way right and down. Yeah, for some reason it reverse kind of wants to pop
that's in,
out.
right?
It should be, unless you'll hear a grind or something that's not completely in.
Okay.
So reverse is exactly the same as first, where you gotta get that catching point.
Okay.
So go ahead, release the clutch slowly and give it gas. You just gotta be able to. Oh, too much gas. Yep. See, there you go. This one, the reverse, you have to like hold in for some reason on this car. A little more gas. There you go. There you go. Oh, not bad. We're going backwards. We got this.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, you got this. All right, you can stop there. Clutch and brake. Not bad. So now let's try, we'll put it over here in first again.
Okay. So
you can get straight because there's a car coming.
Oh, yeah, rush me. Why don't
Yep, we're going to get you going. Oh, there you go. You got it. Yeah, you just got to give it a little bit more gas. You're not...
I just don't want to over...
So go and shift into second now. Oh yeah, you got it. See, second, third, fourth, all those
easy to go. It's easy to go when you're going.
So now...
That sounded dumb.
I guess it's... well, whatever. It's fine. Yeah. I think you're getting the hang of first and reverse and stuff down because it's basically the same thing. The hardest thing to do is hills. So I can drive you or you can drive it, wherever you want to do.
I'll drive.
All right.
I'll drive her.
We'll go find a big hill and bring you guys there next. Okay. Okay, so now we've made it to a little bit of a hill. As you guys can see here, it's like a little cul-de-sac here. It's quite a little incline. I'm gonna go ahead, hop out, and I'll show you guys kind of what to do as far as like a hill goes, and that way Luke can see. Right now, it's in neutral, got the e-brake on, so it's fine. It's just sitting here, it's not rolling anywhere, which is good. I mean, if you didn't have an e-brake, you're definitely not gonna be parking on this hill, so you're kind of screwed. But yeah, we'll go ahead and switch places here, and I'll show him and you guys kind of what to do. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I'm in the driver's seat now. I got my foot on the clutch and the brake. So we'll go ahead, hope you guys can see this, put the e-brake in, and then go ahead, put it in first. And when you let off the clutch, you're gonna wanna roll backwards, okay? So you gotta keep it going. So you have to go directly to gas and it's gonna catch. So I can feel myself catching. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. We may have to hop out so you guys can see it. I don't know if you wanna do that.
Yeah. I'll freeze for the viewers.
Yeah, it's a little chilly outside.
All right. Now you're just showing off. Okay.
As you guys just saw there, that shouldn't be too bad. I mean, you're on a hill, so you have to move fairly quickly because it is a little bit of a challenge trying to maintain your like staying on this hill. I mean, if I just let go of the brake and have my foot on the clutch, we're just gonna roll all the way down the hill. So it's like when you're in first gear, you have to find that catching point, and when it engages, you'll just set in one place. And then if you give it more gas and release the clutch same time at like the same speed or whatever, you'll start to go up the hill. So you think you're ready for this?
Try it. Why not?
I think we'll,
worst thing that happens is we roll down the hill.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you're ready to put the brake on, but yeah, so we'll go ahead, I'll switch places now and have Luke try it. Okay, so now we got Luke in the driver's seat, we're on the hill, we're gonna have him attempt to do this. Okay, so go ahead, do your normal thing, you just saw me do it. So clutch, brake, e-brake off.
E-brake off. Because who makes that mistake?
Just a couple times, you'll figure it out. First gear, all right, so here we are on the hill.
All right.
So go ahead.
No one's behind us.
No one's behind you. Oh, a little more clutch. There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, not bad. Now if you just get that motion down a little bit quicker. So let's try that again. Hopefully don't kill it. I'm not making nervous, no pressure.
No pressure.
Go ahead, you can do it right here, it's fine.
Okay. We're in first.
First gear. So don't let yourself roll back too much. Too much gas.
Yep.
Nope. Yep, there it is. Okay. One more time.
Just roll back a little bit more here. We're about to run out of hill.
Oh, there's a lot of hill left. You're good.
Okay.
So just get to that catching point. Hold yourself on the hill.
I got too much gas.
There you go. It was a lot smoother though. You rolled back a little ways, but yeah, you were giving it too much gas. Okay, I'm gonna film from the outside.
All right.
Don't get nervous.
It's your choice.
Don't get nervous. All right, so here he goes. He's on the hill. Oh. Not bad. You rolled back a little ways though. No. You're getting better. It's not so jerky.
I just don't want to roll into stuff like that.
Yeah, that's the thing. You want to make sure you get that grip before you start rolling. Oh, too much gas. You gotta keep them balanced. That was better. That was better.
Yeah, take some notes.
He's getting better. I think he's been practicing without me though. All right, so I think Luke's getting the hang of it. Like I said, I think he's been practicing a little bit without us.
Yeah.
I think he's been. I don't know.
Have I? I don't know.
I think you've been. So I think we're gonna end it here. I think you got enough practice for, I guess, us filming today. So
I don't know if they even want to see any more of this, but
I don't know. Hopefully it teaches them something. Maybe they want to go out and practice some stuff.
Yeah, don't do as I do, unless I'm doing it right.
You're learning. That's the thing. As long as you learn. But I think you're just gonna keep practicing. Oh, see, dang
I forgot it was in gear. Okay.
Dang it. He was doing so good.
I forgot it was in gear. Hang on.
We're gonna end this here. We're gonna end this here, dude.
Brakes not even on. End it here. Come on.
We're turning it. Okay.
I got it that time.
You're good. Car's not running.
Yeah, I'm good at this.
We're just sitting here. He'll keep learning. So I think we're gonna end it here, like I said, and you're gonna keep practicing because Obviously, you're gonna need a little more practice.
Nah, dude, I meant to do all that was on purpose.
The challenge, I'm sure, like most people get nervous about, is driving it in town, but it just takes lots of practice. Main thing to practice is like first gear, just getting that initial start. Reverse is always like a challenge, and then hills. Hills are always like the scariest thing. So, I think if you just keep practicing.
Wish they had smell-o-vision so they could smell what we smell.
Yeah, this exhaust leak is a little bit
much.
So we got to fix that. So stay tuned for that. I see it like. I looked out the back there. We got a bad taillight, so we got to fix the brake light. So we're going to take this thing back home, get all that stuff done. But otherwise, you guys like this video and you guys are entertained by this, and hopefully you guys learned something. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But otherwise, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot to mention is we still need to do downshifting, which, I don't know, I kind of told you about that.
Yeah.
I mean, you kind of figured it out a little bit, but basically all you do is you just, when you want to go from like third to second, all you got to do is just push the clutch in, get your RPM up, so you want to give the gas a quick tap, and then put it in like the lowest gear, and then you should be able to be good to go without bogging down or anything. So that's just the last little tip, but otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.